The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Jamaica's net international reserves at the end of 2012 fell by 43% when compared to what was in the coffers at the end of 2011. Latest figures put the December 31, 2012 NIR at $1.125 billion or 13.2 weeks of imports. Now, the equivalent at the end of 2011 was 19.2 weeks of imports. It's always helpful to see how others view us as a country. An opinion piece in today's edition of the Chicago Tribune has highlighted Jamaica's economic plight, describing the island as the Greece of the Western Hemisphere, and emphasizing that the alternative to the IMF's prescription would ruin Jamaica's prospects for years to come. The Tribune describes Jamaica as being in worse financial shape than Greece and says its present plight highlights the catastrophic effects of borrowing way too much and the painful choices that follow. The Tribune notes that populist administrations find it difficult to say no to followers. The Tribune warns that Jamaica has to find a way to live within its means and emphasizes the only thing worse is not doing so. The Chicago newspaper opines that the lesson of Jamaica is not that access to credit is bad. It's that irresponsible stewardship is bad. On the foreign exchange market, amidst continued demand for hard currency and tight supply conditions, both the benchmark American dollar as well as the British pound strengthened against the Jamaican currency. The greenback gained 3 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $93.09, whilst the British pound jumped by 41 cents to $150.14. However, the Canadian dollar weakened by 33 cents Jamaican to close at $93.97. An 8% fall by Scotia Group, as well as the fact that Caribbean cement plummeted by over 13%, triggered losses of over 1% in the main indices today. The JC index shed 939 points, or just over 1%. Almost 7 million shares changed hands, and NCB, which gained 0.1%, accounted for 37% of business. 24 stocks traded, with 7 advancing, 9 declining, and 8 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, Gleaner, Lasco Manufacturing, Mayberry, and NCB. The losers included Berger, down 8%, Caribbean Cement, down 13.4%, Grace Kennedy, Radio Jamaica, Scotia Group, down almost 8%, and Scotia Investments. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.